Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you all my wonderful subscriber, both returning subscriber and new subscriber. You're all wonderful. Thank you all for coming back to always watching my content. I appreciate it. So let's get into today's video. Okay guys, today's video is a requested video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add end screen and card to your YouTube video. Okay guys, so I have my computer here, my desktop computer here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I had my end screen and the cards to my YouTube video. Okay guys, okay, let's turn the camera to face my computer and then I'll show you guys how to add end screen and card to your YouTube video. Before we continue into the video, I would like to give a shout out to my wonderful subscribers. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to Stay Sweet Cousin, shout out to a Slice of Sam, shout out to Family Shops group. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Let's turn the camera around and show you guys how to add end screen and cards to your YouTube video. Okay guys, so when you go to your YT studio, what I want you to do once you are in the YT studio, when you get there, is to click on content. Okay guys, so you click on content just the way I'm clicking. When you click on content, you can see that all your content is here. Let's zoom the camera in a bit. Okay guys, so you can see all your content is here when you click on your YT studio on your computer, either your desktop or your laptop. Okay guys, so once you are here, all you need to do is click on the video that you want to edit. Okay, the video that you want to add your end screen and card to. Okay, so you click, you can add to any of your video. Okay, but I'm just going to show you guys on one of my videos. So this is my recent video here. This one here is my recent video. Let's see if I can zoom the camera into it. Okay, so that's my recent video. So we are going to be editing this video here, the one I just posted. Okay, so click on the pen. Okay, when you click on the pen, it's going to open. Just wait for it to load. Okay guys, so yeah, so once it load, can you see everything here? You can see all the things you need to do here on this side, which is the left hand side, and then you come to the right hand side, because this is the what I want you guys to concentrate on. The right hand side. Okay guys, because that's where the button is on my desktop. I don't know which direction it will be on yours, but this is where mine is. Okay, so this is where you edit the video after you've uploaded it to YouTube. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to scroll up here. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to look for. Okay, let's zoom it in. Can you see where it said subtitle, end screen, cards? Can you guys see? Okay, so that's where we are focusing on. You can see that it has the end screen, it has the cards. So all you need to do when you want to add end screen to this particular video over here, I've already done that already, but I'm just going to show you guys. So you just click on the pen, you wait for it to open. So when it opens, this is exactly how it looks like when it's opened. Can you see that it's a box that opens on top of the main editing? So you can see that there's a box at the background, which is the main video, this particular background that is gray. When you click on the hard end screen, this other box here we opened. Okay, so let's zoom the camera in so you guys can see properly. So now when this box opened, okay, when this box opened, it will open like this. It will open with these three things here. That's the blue one and these two gray. Sometimes one of them, the playlist, can be red. That is because it's asking you to choose a playlist. If you didn't automatically put the playlist there, it will be red, and then it will tell you to pick a playlist. If not, it's not going to allow you to save it up here. This up here is the save button. It's gray because already I'm not doing any changes. Can you see where it said disregard changes? If I don't want to change anything, but if you are changing, the save is going to turn blue. Okay, so this is the part where you actually add your end screen. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, because I've already added it, so let's just say I want to remove it. Let me remove it so I can show you just the purpose of this video. So let me remove what I've already added. So the first one I'm going to do, this is the subscriber button here. This is subscriber button with my picture. Okay, and this here, the second one here, this one of this gray one is the end. Can you see now that I highlighted it blue? Can you see it's gone blue on the box here as well? So what I want to do, I want to delete it so I can easily show you guys. Let me delete it. Okay, so now I've deleted that one out. I can also delete this other one, which is the playlist, this one here. Okay, which now it has highlighted blue. Okay, let's zoom the camera just to make sure you guys can see. Okay, so now I'm also going to delete it. Okay guys, so I've deleted it. Okay, so I can delete everything and re-add it. Okay guys, but let's just leave the subscriber button on, which is this, my picture here. Okay, so normally before you, when you come to here, when you click on hard end screen, it will put everything, it will put a box there for you. So I'm trying to see if I can go back to that box. Let me see if there's a way I can go back to the box. I want to show you guys the way it actually looks at first. Let me see if I click element. Okay, no, the way it looks at first, normally it will show you a box, but because I've already put all these things here, that's why it's not showing me the box. Okay, let me delete. Okay, there you are. So I've deleted the subscriber button as well. So this is what I wanted to show you guys first. When you want to add end screen, this, can you see the save button is blue? This is exactly how it looks like before you add anything, before you click on the boxes you want. Okay, so let's zoom it in more. I hope you guys can see. Please give this video a thumbs up if it's useful for you so far. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Okay, so now this is the box that it will suggest. Sometimes it might suggest a different, this one, you see this one is here and here, but sometimes it might suggest this one is here and one is here, and this round button here will be in the middle. Okay, but today let's see if that one is there. Okay, that one is not there today, so we have these ones. So these are the ones we have. Can you see the ones we have? So which means that if I pick this one, it's going to give me, I'm going to add a recent video and a playlist, and here this round thing here will be my subscriber button, which is my picture. So I'm going to tick this one. Okay, can you guys see now that it automatically had it? Can you see that it automatically had it? I hope you guys can see. Let's zoom it in. You can see that it automatically had it. Can you see that? So now it has added recent video and playlist. Okay, let's zoom it a bit away. It's too much. Okay, so that is it. So you can change this. If you don't want a playlist here, If you don't want a playlist here, you just click on it and change it. You see, click on this. Can you see you can put a video? If you don't want a playlist, you can either put a playlist or you can change it. So you can change, if you have different type of playlist, you can put different type of playlist in there. So let's say I want to put this my cooking playlist. Okay, there. So I've changed it. But if you don't want it, I think you can delete it, or you can choose a different one that is just videos without playlist. And if I want to change this recent video, you just click on it there, and then you can choose best for viewers, choose specific videos. Can you see? If you want to do that, I can just, let me choose specific video. Can you see? Now it will show me all my videos. So I'm going to choose this oldie video because it's related to the new video I just posted. Can you see? Now I will put a specific video there. Can you see that? Okay guys, I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it so that somebody else can learn how to do this. Okay guys, so that's what I'm going to do. Then that's all I need. Okay, and then I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now that I've clicked on save, it has brought me back. It has brought me back to the screen where I'm editing the video. Can you guys see? Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I want to add cards. Okay, I want to add cards. So now click on the pen for cards. Okay, so now that I've clicked on it, okay, this is what you call cards. Whenever I said cards, can you see it up here? This is cards. Okay guys, so now let me show you guys how to add cards. If I haven't had a card, the save button up here will also be blue. So let's delete this card. Can you see the card there? I'm going to delete it so that I can show you guys how to add it. I have two cards here. Let me delete the second one as well. Okay, so now the button is blue for save. Okay, if I don't want to do anything, I can just simply click the discard changes, this button there. I can just click on it and then it will undo everything back to the way it was. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm going to show you guys how to add cards, okay, to your videos. So when you come here, when you click on the card, when you click on card, this is exactly what will happen. It will open. So you see this long thing here, which is the playhead. That's what I call it. This long line here. Can you see the long line is moving? This long line here simply just means you can, if I click on it now to stay in one place, it means that is where you want the card to start in the video. So when the video is playing, when the video reach this point, which is 22 or 32 minutes, yeah, 32.19 minutes, when it reach here 1.32.19 seconds, it will show the cards. Okay, so let's say I want to put it here. Let's say I want to put it at 1.07. Just click there. Can you see the thing have stayed? That one have stayed. I don't want another one. This another one. If I want this another one, I'm moving now. So I want this one that I've clicked. Okay, so now I go to video. I don't want to put a playlist, I want to put a video. So I just click on video. Can you see that it opens my video? So I'm going to choose this video again because both videos are related. Okay, so I'll pick this video. Okay, so now it has added it. In order for you to know that it has added it, it will show you this little blue thing here. Can you see the little blue thing there? It is going to show you that. And then up here is also going to show you there. Can you see there? Can you see that's cards? Okay, so if you want to add another cards, you just move the arrow to anywhere you want it to be. You know, let's say I want it to be here, the next one to be here. I just click it there to stay there. Okay, then I go back. You can either add a playlist or you can add a card again, or a video. Yes, so I'm going to add another one, cards. Now it will open, it will ask me now. Can you see now it's asking me, do I want a video, a playlist, channel, or a link? so I want a video, not a playlist. Okay, so now I can just come here and look for any other video I feel I want to put. Okay, I'm going to put this one. Okay, so you can see it there. Can you see the little thing now is blue? This little thing here is blue now. Can you see there? So this is the first one is gray. This is the second one here is blue. Okay guys, and this is the card in the video. Let's zoom it in. Can you see routine clean with me? Okay, so now it's in the video. Okay guys, so what we are going to do now, we are going to save it. So now we save it. Okay, so now it's saved. Let's bring the video, the camera a bit. So now it has saved. Okay guys, so that's all. That's how to add your card. So all you need to do now, everything is done. Okay, everything is done now. So all you need to do here now is just to go back to your content. So go back to content. Let me zoom this in. I hope you guys got to understand how this is added now. Just go back to your content. And then choose another video that you want to put card into. Just the same way. Just choose another video. I've already done all my videos. So all you need to do is to choose another video. Okay guys, that's all you need to do. Choose another video and do the same thing again. If you didn't understand, just watch this video all over again until you understand how to do it. Okay guys. Okay guys, I hope you understand how to add end screen and card now to your videos. Okay, if you didn't understand, just rewatch this video again until you understand what I just showed you. Okay guys, hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to share it, share it, like it, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I post more videos like this. Okay guys, and if you have any question, just leave your question in the comment section and I will reply to your comment. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.